Welcome back to my channel Scenery Art School. In today's video I am going to read a dialogue between two friends about good side. If you can memorize this dialogue, you can speak and write 8 more such a dialogue beautifully, like learning English, education, early rising, future plan, tree plantation, choose of career, student life, aim in life, etc. So let's start. A. Hi, how are you? B. I am fine, and what about you? A. I am fine too. Do you know about the importance of here? You can choose any of from here. Just an example, I chose learning English. So, do you know about the importance of learning English? B. Yes, I know about the importance of learning English. A. Please give me some information about this learning English. B. Well, the purpose of learning English is to energy our mind so that we can enable them to draw conclusion, make judgment and decision. It is very educative and informative. A. Thank you very much. I have got a fair idea. B. Thank you too. A. Goodbye. Pray to Allah for your success. B. Goodbye. See you again. If you memorize this dialogue, you can speak and write any dialogue. This is for class 6 to 10. Read the dialogue carefully. No more today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the full video.